Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Kombi Highline in the long wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. This example comes in the classic solid paint colour candy white, and across the front of the vehicle, set into the front colour coordinated front bumper, we'll find a set of front parking sensors. Down below, the Kombi sits on the 17-inch alloy wheels, which come in a 5 twin-spoke star design. A full steel wheel is also provided. Towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll find a solid tailgate, and dotted along the rear bumper is a set of rear parking sensors. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the boot space of the Kombi, there is a sizable amount of storage space here. There is a rubber floor covering, as well as having a few lashing points in the back of the vehicle. Access into the rear passenger area can be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to the twin power sliding doors. There is a fixed 3-seater passenger bench in a 2-to-1 configuration, and up front in the driver's cab we have 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests apiece. Plenty of leg space for the front passengers as well as the rear ones. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations as well as utilise the App Connect feature. Beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.